We gotta tear down Babylon, gotta tear, 'cause the land we're living on isn't fair. Some people are hungry while others grow fat. We want equality, they say you can't have that. Down pressure everywhere, hypocrisy too. Babylon grow more unfair, what we gonna do? We gotta tear down Babylon, gotta tear. The land we're living on isn't fair. Take away our health care, education too. This happening everywhere, to me and you. People in poverty, accidental, no. Them people prosperity, come on now, let's go. We gotta tear down Babylon, gotta tear. The land we're living on isn't fair. Babylon, gotta tear, 'cause the land we're living on isn't fair. Them people are hungry, Babylon they feast. Without equality, this world will not know peace. Don't give them anything, fight until the end. And with this song I sing, on you I depend. We gotta tear down Babylon, gotta tear, 'cause the land we're living on is not fair. We gotta tear down Babylon, 'cause the land we're living on. We gotta tear down Babylon.